everyone, it's Jasmine here, and today I have a super exciting video for you guys. Y'all aren't even ready. It's the Fabfitfun Box. Okay, now, if you haven't checked out the Fabfitfun starter box unboxing yet, I'll have that link down below, so you can definitely check that out. But now we have the big mama right here. We had the baby about maybe, was that a month ago? I don't know. But now we have the big mama, and let's just open this. Honestly, guys, I was so upset because I got this in the morning right before work, and I was leaving, so I could not film the video. So I've literally been waiting about 6 hours. 6 hours to open this, and I didn't peek. As you can see, I'm opening the sticker right now. So I've been waiting for so long, and with me and packages, like as soon as I get it, it's open, it's ripped, I've seen everything, but I waited for y'all. So we're opening the box. Alrighty, okay, so we got another one of those. Okay, so we got another one of these big like magazine things, blah blah blah. Doesn't matter. Let's open this. Okay. Too excited. I'm gonna look up and then like I already saw one thing, but I already knew it was coming. Let's go! Okay. I need to relax. I am too hyped. Okay, first we have the Tarte Pro Glow palette. Oh my gosh, I wanted a new highlighters. Well, I don't have a lot of highlighters, and oh my gosh, is it broken? Oh no, we good. Okay, it was just a little, I don't know. Wow. Oh wow. Here, oh my gosh. Here are what these swatches look like. Whoa. And this one's like a cream contour. So, oh, they do have names. Okay. So we have Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt at the bottom. Wow. Tarte, let's go. They were like so creamy and like they were very nice. Like, these are gonna be such nice highlights, but I'm not like, as you can see, my palette is already like dirty. I didn't do that, so who did? I am too hyped. Let's pick out the other. Okay, so this is Pier 1 Imports on the front. Okay, what is this? Okay, the thing with Fabfitfun, you get like beauty, you get makeup, you get room decor, like I don't know, you get so many things. So what is this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little like thing I think you put your rings in and stuff. I mean, I don't have rings, but I'll find something to put in this because this is so cute. Oh, oh wow. No. Okay. Yes. Okay, y'all don't even understand. Okay, I've wanted a makeup bag, like one of these score ones, for so long. Okay, this is from the brand Yumi Kim, and it's just like this, because mine are all like the like hot dog looking ones, and like I don't know, I feel like this is so much better because I have so much makeup to transport all the time. So this was well needed. I've been looking for one for so long, but I just never got one. One, because I'm cheap. Two, lazy. So yeah. Yes. Okay, this is the thing. I saw like one of the little sneak peeks. I think, is this battery? Yes. Okay, so this is a by the brand Forio Luna Fofo Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. Okay. Yeah, oh, this is so cool. So this is like an electronic like facial cleansing brush type thing. That's so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. And this, I think it's magnetic or something. I don't know. Does it? Oh, it has batteries in it. Ooh. Now, how do you turn it off? Finally got it to turn off. But isn't that so cute? And it vibrates and it already has batteries in it. It's a nice little just So cute. We have this classic face sport Coola classic sunscreen. Okay, okay, this is organic sunscreen SPF 50. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I definitely need face sunscreen so bad. Like, that's why I get like the light spots on my face. Like, I need to put sunscreen on all the time. Oh, and this is white tea moisturizer. Nice. Okay, I've never seen organic skincare before, so this is really cool. And this is by the brand Coola. So, yeah. A straw? This must go with something, I hope. Okay, well, we'll get back to this, I guess. This is the Vasanti brighten up sorry, enzymatic face rejuvenator. Enzymatic, just like wet. Oh, this is an exfoliating cleanser for my cleanser brush. Oh my gosh, this is an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya micro here, that word, and aloe. Fun. Next we have, oh, I guess this is a ring, but that looks, this is a ring, but looks huge. Oh, I guess my fingers are huge too. That's kind of cute. I mean, I probably, oh my gosh. Do y'all get it? Do y'all get it? A ring for the ring thing. Ah! I mean, I'm not really a ring person, so I probably won't wear this, but I'll probably give it to like a friend or something. But this is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. Wow. We have the Orlando Pita Play. Okay, so this is a hair product. Oh, hair protectant spray. Oh, okay, so this is a heat protector. Okay, awesome. So when my hair is out of braids and I straighten it and whatever, I can use this. Oh, this is awesome. This is so big. Oh, I wonder what it smells like. Okay, it smells pretty nice. Pretty nice for a heat protectant anyways. Usually mine smell not good. Oh, okay. Because I was going to say, because that's all that's in the box. So I was like, well, what is the straw for? But if you read it, Jasmine, it says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.ca. Oh my gosh, is this like a special reusable straw? Oh my gosh. Okay, literally, my friend would be so happy about this because she's all about saving the turtles. And literally, look, there is little turtles on this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, so this is a reusable straw. That is awesome. Okay, so that is everything I got in this Fabfitfun box. I hope you all enjoyed. And remember to check out the Fabfitfun starter box. It'll be linked down below. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and bye!